Little tip for whenever you're loading your boat and it's very windy and you've got the current to your side pushing on one side of your boat or the other. I'm going to show you how I like to load up, and it's very slow, very methodical. I'm not trying to rush in, I'm not trying to gas it really hard to get in there. It's okay to take your time, get the bow of your boat up there near one of your bumpers, and then you're able to swing it around. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to load when I got high current and high winds. All right, so you're just gonna let that wind and that current push you. You're gonna keep your bow of your boat into the current and into the wind as much as you can, and you're gonna kind of walk the boat in sideways. And once you get up there near the trailer, then you're gonna swing it in, as opposed to just trying to gas it and throttle on there, and then you can end up messing up, and that's where damage occurs. Take your time and get up there towards the trailer, and then at the last second you're gonna turn in. Come in and out of gear if need be. Steer your way on. That's it, guys. Nice and easy. No need to rush. The more you rush, the easier it is to make a mistake. Break off one of those PVC pipes, expose the metal, gouge your boat. I've been there, I've done that, and it's very expensive to fix. So just take your time when you're trying to load and offload your boat.